guys, in today's video, as promised, I am going to be showing you guys how I safely remove my polygel set. So if you guys saw my previous videos, you guys know I am on a nail journey, but I am not a professional by any means. All this is self-taught and I am learning heavy. As I was saying, I am self-taught, so in these videos, I may do something that's not professional, not right, not how you supposed to do it, but at the end of the day, this is how I have been taking off my polygel nails. I am using my new Bell electric drill. So this is an electric drill. If you guys don't know, I will link the previous video with all the details on this drill in the description box. And I am using like the really heavy grit. I don't even know what the tool bits are called yet. I'm going to Google it and put it in the screen, okay? So first I go in with that really heavy one to get like the first layer, because I did have really thick layers of this white polygel on my nails. After I do that, I go in with the medium grit one that you see right here, and very lightly I try to get as low as I feel comfortable. So basically the polygel nail material, or the polygel material, is a file off material, so you are going to have to file off those layers. And so if you make it extremely thick, that is going to obviously play a role in it, and I did. They were really thick polygel because that white, I don't know, I was really anal about it. I didn't want it to be see-through, and it was only my second set, and it was all kinds of crazy, okay? So basically, I'm going in with the heavy one that you see here. I've watched a lot of polygel removal videos and I never see them use this drill bit, but that's the one that I'm using because it was so thick. So I'm using that one to get like the initial bulkiness of the nail off. I don't use this like anywhere close to my natural nail, but I did use this to very quickly get the bulkiness of the nail off. And then once I've removed that initial layer with this nail bit, I go back in with the silver nail drill and get closer to my natural nail, and I just go back and forth with this method until I get it as low as I comfortably feel, because I'm still kind of learning, you know, with speed and pressure, and still learning to use my nail drill. I'm still a beginner, and you know, I never did no research on this. I just got it as low as I felt comfortable. And I really take my time with this process, again, because I'm a beginner and I don't really know what I'm doing yet, and I don't want to damage my nails. This took me probably about 30 minutes to file and get my nails filed down to a thin enough layer to where I felt comfortable to move on to the next step. So once you've got it pretty low, a hack that you can do if you are still not comfortable filing down to your natural nails like I am is just use a little bit of pure acetone. Because the polygel is a file off material, like I said, you can't just soak these off just going straight to this stage. You do have to get the layer pretty thin, but once you've gotten it pretty thin, all you need to do is get you some pure acetone and soak your nails for about 5 minutes. To help speed up this process, if you guys saw my nail haul video, you know that I already purchased the nail polish remover kit from Amazon, and it's really easy. All you have to do is fill the cotton ball with some acetone and then put the cotton balls into these little nail clips, and that just kind of gives you a little bit more mobility while you're soaking your nails. Just keep this on for about 5 minutes and then you can take them off. Once the time is up, I'm going to take the metal like scraper tool out of like just your basic nail kit and literally just gently, I know it may not look like it, but it's because I'm trying to do this on camera, so I'm basically trying to do this upside down. But all you're going to do is, you know, take the scraper and gently scrape off the polygel, and if it's a thin enough layer, it should scrape off extremely easy. So I'm just going to show you guys. It's kind of satisfying, honestly. I don't know if that's just me when I was editing this. It was really satisfying to see the polygel being scraped off. So I'm just going to show you guys. Look how easy that comes off. Like, if you have a thin enough layer, it'll come off really easy. If you soaked it and it's not coming off extremely easy, you probably need to go in with a little bit more fouling. But if you soaked it off really easy, then it should come off extremely easy. And now I'm just going in with my nail files and of course filing off any excess gel. So this is what it looks like immediately after scraping off the gel. And this is what my nails look like immediately after buffing. So a good buffing will do your nails some justice, honey. But this is what my natural nails look like after I took it off. As you guys can see, my nails still look really healthy. This is how short I keep my natural nails because I'm always, trying to try some new things with my fake nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. I hope you guys are enjoying my nail content. Leave a comment in the comment section if you are enjoying my nail content. Subscribe to my channel, of course, if you are new to my page. And I will see all you guys in the next upload.